Welcome back to Programming Problems. After a short delay, I am now back at it, making episodes again. Today, we will take a look at Advent of Code 2015, Day 4, the ideal stocking stuffer. Let's start. On this day, Santa needs help mining a cryptocurrency called Advent coins. He wants to use the coins as gifts for all the economically forward-thinking little girls and boys. To do this, he needs to find MD5 hashes, which, in hexadecimal, start with at least 5 zeros. The input to the MD5 hash is a secret key, which is your input followed by a number in decimal. For instance, 1, 2, or 3. An example could be the combination of a secret key, my secret, with the number 42 appended to it. Considering your key and all possible numbers, what is the lowest number that produces the required hash? Suppose that you are given the secret key, A, B, C, D, E, F. Then the answer shall be 6,009,043. This because if you append the key and the number and you compute the MD5 hash, then the resulting hash has 5 zeros at the start. Additionally, it can be shown that this is the first number which, combined with the secret key, results in 5 or more zeros at the start of the resulting hash. Given the description and this example, can you already write something that solves today's problem? If so, please give it a shot. Don't forget to check for your own input to today's problem on adventofcode.com. Ready? Let's go. Because we need to find the lowest number to produce the required hash, we simply have to try all numbers. There is no way to infer some optimal lower bound to speed up our search, so let's just start at 1. Then, one by one, we can just try and hash until we find a solution that starts with 5 zeros or more. Now, perhaps one challenging part of today is how to generate the MD5 hash. While you can look up the algorithm and spend a lot of time implementing something yourself, the simplest solution is to use a library. The following example shows a possible solution using hashlib in Python 3. Now, for part 2 of today's problem, Santa wants to find another hash. In this case, it needs to start with at least 6 zeros. What is the lowest number that produces the required hash? Hopefully, after solving part 1, this part of the problem is not too challenging anymore. So again, we iterate from 1, 2, and so on. Then we hash and iterate until we find something that satisfies the requirement. Thank you for sticking around for another solution, and let me know in the comments if you have suggestions or improvements. And that's it. And with that, we have 2 more stars, and I'll be looking forward to teaching you more next week.